Okay, so next thing we want to do is we want to make the little bellies where the udders are. So this is I'm using a flesh tone fondant. You could use a light pink. So I just take the flesh tone fondant, roll it into a ball, and then a little bit more of a cone by just pushing down on one side, making a little bit more of a cone or teardrop shape. Take this, open up these arms a little bit, place it right in the center here, and just flatten that. Okay, and then for the udders, I just take little balls and pop them on there, and then take a paintbrush and just push it in the center. And that's all I pretty much do for the udders. The udders. And I'm just going to do, that's a little big. Four of them on here. Okay. All right, so the next step is getting the black. Okay, so the hoofs on the bottom, 2 balls about the same size, about pea-sized pieces. Okay, and then just kind of roll it out just a little bit of a teardrop shape, like this. Let's take a little bit of water this time, right here at the tip of the feet, and then pop that on, push it on, and then flatten it a little bit, then take a toothpick and just push in. Okay, same thing, cone or teardrop, push it in, push down, and then push in to make the little hoofs. Okay, we'll do the same thing on the arms, only smaller. And what we can do here too is actually open this up a little bit, push in and rotate this around, then this cone will actually fit in there and flatten it. Since this is actually hanging up in the air, it's better to do that so it attaches rather than just push it on like we did at the base. Okay, let's take a little bit, a few dots here, or cow spots, and we'll do a few in here before we put the head on, because once we put the head on, we might not be able to get in there. So different sizes. We don't want round balls, just kind of weird shapes. Open this up, put one down here. Sometimes I even use the back of the paintbrush like this to roll it on. Anywhere where you can't get your fingers in there, you can usually do something like that. We can even go ahead and put some on his legs right now. Some on the arms.